This is the ultrasound of the supraspinatus tendon workshop. Here are the 6 steps to success. Modified CRASS position, long axis followed by anterior to posterior sweep, short axis of the supraspinatus, then anterior posterior sweep, and then dynamic test. Modified CRASS position is either hand on hip or hand in back pocket. Picture a line along the course of the humerus. Place the transducer along that line with the leading edge towards the patient's head. Sonography along the supraspinatus should give you the bird's beak appearance. Proximal is left and tendon insertion is to the right. Step 3. Scan in longitudinal from anterior to posterior. The most anterior structure is the long head of the biceps and then insertion of the supraspinatus tendon. Step 4. Short axis view of the supraspinatus tendon. The leading edge is placed anteriorly or ventral, seen on the left side of the transducer. The tire on the rim view shows a hyperechoic biceps tendon in short axis view, and then the most anterior fibers of the supraspinatus tendon also in short axis view. Step 5. Anterior to posterior scan in short axis view. The biceps tendon is seen in the rotator cuff interval, followed by the supraspinatus tendon in short axis, demonstrates the tire on the rim. Step 6. Dynamic impingement of the supraspinatus tendon. We go back to our first transducer position, long axis over the supraspinatus. The goal is to get the bony shadow of the acromion with the long axis view of the supraspinatus in the same view. The transducer is held in place while passively abducting the patient's shoulder with slight external rotation. The supraspinatus tendon and the greater tuberosity both pass easily under the acromion. The inability to get the supraspinatus under the acromion is a definition of impingement. Here's another quick review of our 6 steps to success. As always, feel free to review this and other videos at Duplichan Musculoskeletal Ultrasound on YouTube.